we're starting to focus on the issues that are really behind why people, if you will, use cybersecurity to attack systems. We're really starting to focus now on protecting the information itself. Rob mentioned earlier this idea of cloud computing is now suddenly moving it from being a perimeter protection problem to a protection of the data problem. So our big focus has really been on heavy on identity management and access management. Who's allowed to access data? How do you identify people? On really strong authentication and easy-to-use authentication. Some of the cards or tokens used today are a little complex and people use them breaking. So we're actually looking at bringing software solutions to things like BlackBerries and iPhones where you can actually use them as your authenticator, make it easier for the user. Another area that we're really focusing on is this idea of data-centric. The events are always going to happen. The perimeter is always going to get breached. New technologies are coming in. So our focus is, can we come up with solutions that allow the customer to be able to wrap or encapsulate their data and control who can use it using tools like encryption and key management, so that when the event happens, you're really limiting the damage the person can do. Even if they capture somebody's identity, they can only get access to the information that individual person had access to if they can compromise the system, as opposed to they're on the network, they can find some other passwords or some other ways and just go through your whole environment. So trying to really help the customer be able to do that. And we see this actually moving to the cloud as a way to think about your data in the cloud. It's encapsulated, you control access to it. And then the final area is we're really interested in, if you will, information sharing, being able to do that rapidly, quickly, efficiently, and be able to change the model. The situation awareness, being able to share what's happening in the whole environment for the government or the military is important. And we see that as a really important area, and we're heavily investing in that as well.